Listen up, Reiki entrepreneurs. Here's the number one reason why you should develop this habit. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers, light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. So, what is the number one reason why you should develop this habit? Well, this habit helps you to show up on time, show up for your clients, your family, your friends, and anything else that you feel you need to show up for. People know what to expect from you. This habit builds trust with clients, with your friends, with your family, and with your associates. Developing this habit shows your authority in whatever it is that you talk about, not only on the business front, but as well as on a personal front. So what is this habit that Reiki entrepreneurs should develop? Why, it's the habit of being consistent and remaining consistent. You knew that, right? How many times have you asked yourself, why can't I be consistent or stay consistent on any project or anything that you're trying to accomplish? I've asked myself that lots of times, and there are lots of people who have done the exact same thing, especially when it comes to social media, posting on a regular schedule, or just doing anything that you want to see a result of. It's the ability to stay consistent and to be consistent. Okay, I can almost hear the people in the back. Well, that's boring. It's boring to be consistent. It's boring to do the same thing over and over again. Okay, well, you can think of it that way. Yeah, it's boring and it's not spontaneous and, all that other stuff. You can create spontaneity if you plan it and if you are consistent with the things that you do to plan it. Some people have the natural ability to be just spontaneous and everything works out great for them. Wonderful. The rest of us, we kind of have to plan things out, and we have to follow a certain set of steps. We also have to, be consistent in how we do what we do. So let me know. Do you think it's boring to be consistent in whatever things that you choose to do? Comment below. If you think being consistent is boring, I bet you wouldn't like it if your check wasn't consistent, huh? Or better yet, maybe your partner isn't being consistent or paying the bills or anything else, remembering your birthday, your anniversaries. Maybe they're not being consistent with that. I bet you don't like that. Yeah, I know, right? Now, let's just say that, what about your car? What about your car? Let's just say that every time you get in your car, you put the key in the ignition or you press that button to start it and nothing happens. You just want to get in your car, put the key in, turn the ignition and it starts, or get in your car and just press that button and your car starts. You're ready to go. Yay! And that's just for starters. What about your social network? What about your, internet carrier? What happens if they are not consistent with the energy output that they do? What if they go off every other day and stuff? Just think about all the different things that are always constant in your life. What if the sun doesn't shine? The sun always shines. You just don't see it with all them clouds. Yeah, so consistency is definitely key, and it's definitely gold. We are all creatures of habit. Our brains love it when we are on routine. It loves it when everything just works like clockwork. It works and it flows and it goes and there's no new thing. It's routine. That's why people who have routine usually have higher outputs when it comes to certain things. So it's also a good idea. That's like a number two thing. That's a number two habit that you should develop. Consistency and having a routine. They kind of go hand in hand. Lastly, it builds confidence as well as discipline. Confidence because you know what you're about on your day-to-day, whether it's for business, whether it's for social media, whether it's for your family, or for any other endeavors that you are, putting your energy into. Discipline because it helps you to maintain a standard of operation for your business, for your students, for your life, for social media, for your audience, and as well as for the platforms that you have your social media things on. This is why it's important for Reiki energy healers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to maintain and have a level of success to have this habit of being consistent and being constant when it comes to their business, their family, their social platform, and any other endeavors that they want to put the energy into. To help you to stay consistent, make sure you download your copy of the Reiki Demo Kit to help you to get started on being consistent on social media. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.